Credit in institution and financial markets. What is a credit? Definition of credit. Credit, often referred to as credit, is the borrowing of money, good, or service with the promise of repayment. Trust and confidence. It's built on trust, with the lender expecting repayment with the interest. Enabling economic growth. Credit fuels economic growth by allowing individuals and business to invest in ventures they may not otherwise afford. Multiple forms. Credit takes various forms, from personal loans to corporate bonds and mortgages. Types of credit. 1. Personal loans. Used for individual purposes such as debt consolidation, home improvement, or medical expense. 2. Business loans. Help business secure capital for expansion, operation, or equipment purchase. 3. Mortgage loans. Enable home ownership by providing funding for real estate purchase. 4. Investment loans. Allow individual and business to invest in financial market or real estate. Credit in the institution market. Institution to institution lending. Bank and financial institution lend to each other to manage liquidity and meet regulatory requirements. Interbank lending. Bank lend to each other typical for short provides to maintain sufficient reserve. Securities lending. Financial institution lend security to other institutions for various purposes. Central bank lending. Central bank provide emergency liquidity to bank and financial institutions during crisis. Importance of credit in the economy. 1. Economic growth. Credit fuels investment, leading to job creation, increased production, and economic expansion. 2. Consumer spending. Personal loans, mortgages enable individuals to purchase goods and services. 3. Business expansion. Business loans allow companies to grow, innovate, and create new products and services. 4. Infrastructure development. Credit support investment in infrastructure projects, promoting economic growth and development. 5. Financial stability. A well-functioning credit system fosters financial stability and reduces economic volatility. Risks associated with credit. 1. Default risk. The possibility that a borrower might not repay their loan, resulting in financial loss for the lender. 2. Credit cycle fluctuation. The boom-bust cycle of credit, with periods of expansive lending followed by contraction, can lead to financial instability. 3. Moral hazard. Borrowers might take on more risk than they would otherwise, knowing they have access to credit, leading to increased risk of lenders. 4. Systemic risk. The failure of one financial institution can through the system, potentially triggering a financial crisis. Regulation of credit in the institution and financial market. 1. Capital requirement. Regulator require financial institutions to maintain sufficient capital to absorb potential losses. 2. Loan-to-value ratio. Restrict the amount of credit a borrower can obtain relative to the value of the asset being financed. 3. Stress testing. Financial institutions are required to conduct stress tests to assess their resilience to adverse economic conditions. 4. Consumer protection. Regulation protect borrowers from predatory lending practices and ensure transparency in the lending. Trends and development in the credit patient. 1. Digital lending. Online platforms are disrupting traditional lending, offering greater convenience and faster overalls. 2. Alternative credit scoring. Lending are used alternative data sources like social media and spending patterns to assess creditworthiness. 3. Fintech innovation. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence atau AI and blockchain are transforming the credit landscape. 4. Sustainable lending. Leaders are increasingly focusing on financing environment responsible projects.